Hello and welcome to pmslounge.com. My name is Shoaib. I'm the voice behind all the videos that you see on this website as well as our official YouTube channel youtube.com/pmclounge. In this video, I wanted to share with you a training that is provided by PMI, and this is the absolute basics of project management that PMI provides you. And the best part is it is absolutely free. So when you complete this training, you also get a PMI badge to share on your social media. So, how do you go about this, right? Where do you go to get this training? So, all that you need to do is head over to kickoff.pmi.org. This is a starting point in your project journey. It says tap to start. That means this is definitely mobile friendly as well. And they basically have two courses. One is an agile course and the other one is a waterfall course. You can switch to the waterfall course. And as you can see, they have everything, all the basics that you need to know, right? When it comes to getting it up and running. So you have an introduction, getting it up and running, align people and objectives, planning your project work. They talk about stakeholders. They're talking about project requirements, work breakdown structure, sequence the work, determine who does the work, create the project schedule, know your risks, mitigation plans, review the plan with your sponsors, and then it comes to getting the work done. So we are talking about execution, project kickoff, project success. How are you going to measure it? Keep track and stay in control. This is more of monitoring and controlling. Stay aligned with key stakeholders, and finally closing the project, finish up and celebrate. So if you go into all these specific topics, of course, you are going to find a lot of exercises as well as a lot of content that you can go over. Like I said, the best part is this is totally free. Of course, you can always switch to the agile course. Agile, again, you have introduction, getting it up and running. You got the set the vision and get aligned, build your team, set up your team room. Then it talks about execution. That's where it says harness the magic of sprint. So it is introducing what sprint is as well. It talks about backlog, user stories, sprint planning meeting, daily scrum, sprint review, retrospective, being agile, measuring the madness, and release to operations, again, finish up and celebrate. So I hope you see how it is covering almost all the topics that a beginner needs to know, is expected to know, right? And all of this is very easy. It is explained in very simple language. Like I said, the best part is once you complete, you can share your badge. And now I have completed both these courses, waterfall course as well as agile course. So I can share my badge, PMI kickoff waterfall. I can download it or I can directly share it on my social media. Like I said, I've also done the agile course, so I can share the agile badge as well. Now, the important part is this course comes from a couple of most recognized and the biggest companies out there, right? So a kickoff is a collaboration between Amazon, Tech Mahindra, PMI's Global Executive Council and experts, and PMI's innovation team. So our friends at Amazon discovered that non-project manager employees are sometimes called upon to step into project management roles to help drive projects. These brand new PMs need to quickly get up to speed in project management to bring their projects to successful completion. So that is the reason why they have developed this a simple course of sort. It goes on to talk more about kickoff. If you're interested, you can check it out. But like I said, this is a good resource. If you are someone who wants to get into project management, what is the first step? You can check out the PM 101 session as well on our YouTube channel. But at the same time, this is something, this is coming right out of PMI. This is definitely something that you can actually take up. In fact, if you're PMP certified project manager, if you have been in the business for a long time, when I say business, I mean in working in the project management industry for a long time. Still, if you want to brush up your concepts, this is definitely something that you can look out for, right? I did both waterfall course and the agile course and I liked it. So you can definitely go ahead and do that too. The best part, like I said, everything is absolutely free. Kickoff.pmi.org. First link in the description. You can check that out. And all the best with your training. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Bye-bye.